Why do dumb coaches make more money than you? The answer is actually pretty simple. It's they know how to get attention and they know how to take people and lead them through a sales process that converts into paying customers. It's not a matter of you not being able to do that. You just happen to be ignorant. Now, before you get mad at me, ignorant just means you don't know how to do that. And if you actually want to be an amazing coach and an amazing revenue generator, join me for my upcoming Business Breakthrough Challenge. And not only will I show you the latest in neuro-marketing so you capture attention and keep attention, but I'll also show you the latest in neuro-sales so you make more sales, more money, and you start living the life that you dream of, not just the one that you teach people how to do. So click on the link below, and by the way, I'll also teach you how to use artificial intelligence to get more leads, more sales, and more revenues right now faster than you ever have. Click on the link. I'll show you how to be a smart coach.